Hello everyone, welcome to this short lesson on vectors. We are continuing with the ratio theorem. Now I've drawn this figure here according to the diagram in your log tables. According to your log tables, okay? So in the log tables you will find such a diagram. I want to explain the way these variables are used. From O to A, route OA, there is this vehicle, small a. Along route OB, there is this vehicle, small b. Just like Kikuyu to Nairobi, number 105. So number 105, an example, that small letter is a number along that route. Now, you are told that C divides AB in the ratio mu to lambda. Mu to lambda. Then he has given you a shortcut of ratio theorem. This is what we call a ratio theorem. So you realize that first, if I want to move from O to any point along AB, in our example, it is C. I want to move from O to C using ratio theorem. And C is in between A and B. What do you do? Okay? So realize that we have vectors here, vector A on the left, vector B on the right. We also have mu on the left and lambda on the right. But in the ratio theorem, see what starts? The sum. The sum. Lambda add to mu. You must get the total ratio of these two parts. Then multiply by vector OC. Then you get lambda ratio on the right multiplies the vector on the left, and vice versa. The ratio on the left multiplies the vector on the right, so that you come up with the sum times the middle movement is equal to lambda vector A plus mu vector B. Okay? Now let us look at our diagram. The real situation now. You have OA is A to O to B is B, and the ratio is 3 to 2. We do likewise. First is the sum, okay? 2 plus 3 or 3 plus 2, the sum. So that sum multiplies the middle movement, OC. And that is equal to ratio on the right multiplies the vector on the left. So you have 2A. Then the ratio on left multiplies the vector on the right. That is 3B. So essentially we are talking about 5 times OC is equal to 2A plus 3B. So I write in colors so that you see well. Okay? The version you are used to in class, the version that we tend to teach in class, that version would be OC therefore is equal to, okay, so 2 over 5 vector A and then 3 over 5 vector B. There is no difference. What I want you to know is that we tend to use this very much. So in short, if you want a middle movement, you take the ratio on the right over the total ratio times the vector on the left hand side. Remember, ratio on the right multiplies vector on the left. Is like cross multiplication. Okay? So I want us to stop there, go through this, understand the version in the table, because already you have 50% of the mark in the table. you have already 50% of the mark in the table, so take advantage of the table. The next lesson will be a real exam question, and for your preparation, just look for a question in the KMF which I will use. Thank you. Bye bye.